You want to make the best barbecued barramundi this summer? Let's do it. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Peel and grate 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Remove the top from 1 red chilli, cut in half lengthways, and remove the seeds from 1 half. Finely chop and set aside. Trim a red capsicum and cut into long, even pieces. Now do the same with the yellow capsicum. Trim, clean and chop 10 spring onions and 1 bunch of coriander. For the dressing, combine peanut oil, premium soy and sesame oil to a pan. Now add the juice of 1 lime, grated palm sugar and place on the edge of a warm barbecue. Set to a low temperature. For the barramundi, add some good extra virgin olive oil to the skin side and brush well to cover all the surface. Lightly season with some salt. Grab carefully and place onto a preheated grill on medium heat, skin side down. Now turn the barramundi when the skin is crisp and golden like this. This should take between 5 and 6 minutes and cook the skin side for 3/4 of the total cooking time. Leave the finish off for 2 minutes. Then remove to a tray and keep warm. For the noodle salad, add the peanut oil, the crushed garlic, the grated ginger and that half a chilli that's chopped. Give that a stir. Now throw in the yellow and red capsicum. Now give those capsicums a good mix and toss and add in the soaked rice noodles. Toss the rice noodles until they become soft and plump. Add in the chopped spring onions and top with the coriander. Now to finish off, add 100 ml of this beautiful warm dressing, stir it through and this dish is done. To plate up, noodles on the plate, 1 piece of that lovely barramundi, extra sauce, why not? A little sprinkling of sesame seeds and finishing with some coriander. And all the accessories used in the shoot are available at wilshire.com.au.